The Dancing Shiva is more than a sculpture. Today, as we unveil this restored statue, we are not only recovering a work of art, we are reviving a symbol of identity, continuity, and pride for the Khmer people.
This object a lot more difficult than restore the temple because of the fragment, very small, and they spread out, mix everywhere. And final, you see we got this result. I'm very proud that I'm very happy to see this statue alive.
I wanted to really have the better knowledge possible of this statue and of its iconography, because when you know the iconography of ancient image, you can have a much better and much more precise understanding of the statue. Without this restoration, it was not possible to have a deep and precise knowledge of the history of the site and of the history of the statue and the importance of the Koh Ker site for the Cambodian history.
It was long works because you have thousands of fragments, and we try all the fragments between them to find the connection, because sometimes you have 1, 2, 3, 4 fragments who connect between them, sometimes only 2, but sometimes you've got a part as torso. All the torso, you've got 60 fragments. So we have to find all the fragments to find the connection and then to glue them.
Our help was to be beyond financially, to be extremely flexible because of the technicality of that project that is monumental by the scale, of course, but also the importance and all the spirituality around the sculpture.
It is one of the most beautiful and one of the tallest statue of Shiva in Cambodia, but also worldwide. It was also very important to restore it because it's part of the history of Cambodia. So it's also a way to give back to Cambodian part of this history, to contribute to the training of a young professional from Cambodia. And so it's always important for ALIPH to contribute to projects that have an impact locally.